So what can you do with that end piece?
The end piece you can use for just your face. You can scoop that out and do a little facial. You can mix it with coconut oil and use it for toothpaste.
Awesome.
But don't ingest it.
Okay.
Don't ingest that part.
Good to know.
Yeah.
So I'm just curious, is there a special way that you hold the knife when you do cut it? Because it seems pretty interesting to cut owl.
Yeah, it's interesting. You just kind of want to get the skin away from the jelly without leaving jelly on the skin, basically. So you can give it like one swoop. You know, you kind of angle the knife up towards the skin. So it's like scraping it as opposed to just letting it flow. You have to like take control of it a little bit.
Oh, I see.
And it doesn't matter if you leave a little skin on there, it's not going to hurt you. Like that amount is not going to hurt you. And then for the bottom part, I just kind of squish it down so it lays flat and do the same thing. Kind of angle the knife down onto the skin so it's like a scrape.
Oh, wow. Would you recommend a certain knife for cutting this?
I don't think it matters. I just think it needs to be thin all the way through as opposed to something that progressively gets thicker. The thinner the knife definitely helps. It doesn't have to be that sharp because the aloe is easy to cut, but definitely not thick. And then usually I'll just like cut it like that before I drop it in the blender.
Sweet.
And that's it. And then this part you can do too. You just need to take the spines off.
And for those of you that don't know, aloe is a wonderful plant for healing the digestive tract. So I'm going to be eating 1 leaf a day because this is what I've been prescribed by John to start purifying and healing my digestive tract and pulling out all the toxins. Look at that beautiful thing.